My name is Mark Ridsdale. I'm the European Regional Sales Manager for Avon Protection, and my speciality is the thermal imaging range of cameras from Argus. What I'm showing you today is a thermal torch which is used by the police and security operatives for people search, evidence search and void detection. It's currently switched into what we call spotter mode, and the idea with spotter mode is that we present the image in a way that the operator can quickly see signs of life. So we colour everything that's body temperature around 36 degrees red, so that if you're looking in a remote environment and you spot a piece of red, the idea is that that's usually going to be a person. What's really good about this camera is the way we manipulate the image for the application. We manufacture from the sensor upwards, and that allows us to manipulate the sensor information, and we can change this using what we call the image presentation. And I can change the image presentation by switching the button on the left hand side. This particular colour palette, as we call it, is aimed at interrogating people's pockets, backpacks, etc. And we're just looking for some kind of heat source that may characterize some kind of device. Now that could be an IED, that could be some kind of explosive device in someone's rucksack. Once we see that there's some kind of heat signature, then we can act more suspiciously about what we're seeing. The middle 16 pixels in this image display a temperature, and quite often we can use this temperature to characterize certain things. The Coast Guards use it on their boat engines for making sure that the flow around the engine of the water cooling is correct, and this is a money-saving application. So there are lots and lots of applications for these type of cameras. It's an IP65 camera. It floats this way in the water. It's very ruggedized, so if you happen to lose your truncheon and you're a police officer, you could use this to assail your criminals as well. It runs on standard Duracell camcorder batteries. It's got a bayonet fixing that you can pull away, and a standard Duracell battery, which are about 12 or 13 euros. A little SD card inside here gives you about 12 hours of video and approximately 5 hours of battery life. And you can charge the battery and access the video and the stills from the concealed patch here. This is watertight, so even if these get wet and you lose the cover for this, you're not going to affect the internal electronics of the camera.